Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of February, where we are going to do a series of stretches to open up the heart. Coming to the front of your mat, shoulders back, navel in and up. Close your eyes and go ahead and arch your feet. So it's like you're gripping the mat to create an arch there. Feel yourself connected to this practice. Being very intentional, go ahead and set yourself a positive, loving intention. Next, go ahead and forgive yourself for anything you need to forgive yourself. And then tell yourself, I am enough. Now say that again, but louder in your mind, or even out loud, that's fine. Say, I am enough. Take a deep inhale, imagining you're bringing love towards yourself. Deep breath up. And exhale, we're gonna find a chair, swooping the arms back and around and in front of us. Notice how strong you are. Say, I am strong. Take a deep inhale, lean up and back, curl the edges of your lips up and say, I am positive. Bring your hands to your heart, bringing positive, loving thoughts towards yourself. Sink back in. Relax the shoulders. Take a deep breath in, nice, smooth, slow and steady. And say, I am worthy. Send your weight to the right leg. Left leg steps back. Right arm comes in front and left arm too. And then you bring them together. Lean back, keeping a bend in the right knee. Cactus the arms and holding here. Imagining that you're bringing a force field around you of anything that is not serving you. And breathe in anything that is. Bring the arms in front of you. Lean forward, step forward into chair. Then slip on up all the way. Lean back and say, I am light. Bring your hands back together and find your chair. Weight goes in the left leg, right leg steps back. Inhale, lift up. Cactus the arms, open up the chest. And say, I am a gift. Lean forward, step forward, a chair. Inhale, lift up and back. Open those arms up, straighten the arms this time. Reach towards the sky. And tell yourself very loud, I have a purpose. Clasp your arms behind your back, roll back your shoulders, and breathe in intentionally to your heart and open it up. Imagine that it's so big, and breathe in and let it heal. Bend the knees, arms come up and over in the direction of the head. Relaxing your back, relaxing your head, relaxing your shoulders and your arms. As long as you can go down further, you can go down further. Say, I surrender to all good things. Bring your hands back, lift up, take a deep breath in, roll back the shoulders, and take a deep another inhale. Arms come up, relax the shoulders. Weight goes in the right leg, left leg steps back, right arm in front, left arm behind. Relax here. Then cactus the arms into, first come into warrior one, then cactus the arms and lean back and open up. Say, I forgive. Lean forward, step forward, a chair. Swoop the arms up and around and back. Lift up and back. And exhale, forward fold. Relax the head, neck, and jaw and sink in a little bit more. Then swoop the arms up, back, and around. And find your chair. Send your weight to the left leg, right leg steps back, arms come up, and then cactus, and then open up your heart. And say, I am, and you fill in that blank of whatever you are that is good. Lean forward, pivot the back foot, step forward to chair. Inhale, sweep the arms up and back. And exhale, release. Just let go and surrender to this moment and to yourself. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Sweep the arms up and back. Bring the hands to the heart. Send the weight to the right leg. Step the left leg back. Find your warrior two. Relax the shoulders. Close your eyes and feel the inner warrior within you. And say, I am strong. Drop the left hand back. Right hand comes up. Bend the back knee still. And lean back and hold the stretch. Then come back down. We're gonna try a bind. A bind here, you may or may not be able to get it, and that's okay, do the best you can. Right arm comes on the inner right thigh. Left arm comes behind your back. You can either try to clasp it down here, or you can try to clasp towards your knee and open up. Again, opening up this heart, letting any build up, any heat come in your body so you can break through any of this bind and tension. Whenever you're ready, say, I am free, and come back to warrior two. Pivot the back foot and lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale and say, I am patient, and sink in down, creating heat in your body and welcoming it and accepting it, and creating more willpower and inner strength. Inhale, swoop up and back, lean back. Exhale, swan dive down into the forward fold and hold. Relax and say, I release. Inhale, swoop the arms back and up. Deep breath here all the way. Find your chair. Weight goes in the left leg, right leg kicks back. Find your warrior two. Lean into it, sink into it. Take a deep inhale in and say, I am resilient. Drop the right hand down, left hand faces up. Keep that left knee bent and dance it back. Inhale, come back to warrior two. Pivot the back foot, lean forward, step forward. Two peace fingers up in the air with arms and shoulders back, and say, I am peace. Exhale, swan dive down. Find your forward fold. Release your head, neck, and give into it just a little bit more. Bend both knees here, and then go down just a little bit more and see if you can straighten your legs just a little bit if it's okay for you. Bend your left knee more than your right leg. Straighten that right leg and then open up the right arm up to the sky. And then gently bring the right arm down. Then straighten the left leg, left arm up towards the sky. Then gently come on down. Swoop the arms back and up, reverse swan dive, lean back, and send your weight to the left leg. We need to get the left side bind here. Left leg in front, right arm in behind. For this left bind, you're in warrior two. The left hand comes on the inner left thigh. The right arm comes behind your back. You can clasp here if that's okay for you, or you can go all the way down here and open up. Creating warmth, building it up, warming your body up to release anything that you can let go of. Allow yourself to let go and come on up and open up. Go ahead and lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale, swoop the arms up and back. And exhale, swan dive down, forward fold. Bend your knees, walk it back. Find a downward facing dog. From here, we're gonna do kriyas, which is just warming up your body. It's just moving and creating friction within. That's what a kriya means. We're gonna come to plank. If your body and back can take it, we're gonna come to upward facing dog. Deep breath here. Exhale, downward facing dog. Really squeeze that core so your back isn't hinging there. And inhale up to upward facing dog. And exhale back to downward facing dog. Great job. And inhale up to upward facing dog. And go ahead and drop the knees here. Pull back the shoulders, gently come on down. Coming into Sphinx now, holding it here. Go ahead and bend the left leg. If you can grab a hold of it, grab a hold of it. And kick in just a little bit. Then gently switch, bending the right leg, grabbing a hold of it, and kicking into it just a little bit. Then go ahead and walk your hands up and back, finding a child's pose and surrendering into this moment. Repeat to yourself, I am enough. I am loved. I am a gift. I am blank, whatever you want to put in there. Come on up to a tabletop. Walk it around so that you're on your back. We're going to go into bridge pose. For those of you who want to go into full wheel, you can go into full wheel. But we're going to come all the way down, shoulders back, lifting up into bridge. To make this more of a heart opener, we're going to pull back the shoulders. Watch out for your neck and clasp your hands if you can do so. And take a deep breath here, relax your jaw. Filling up that inhalation, pause, exhalation. If you want to go into full wheel, I'm going to show you that variation. If that is not good for you, don't stress it. But if you want to, elbows go in. Make sure you've done this before. If not, make sure you do it with a spot. And you can push all the way up. Really deep back bend and a wonderful heart opener. When and if you're ready to come down from the bridge or the wheel, you can nice and slow and steady. We're going to bring those knees into our chest. Drop both knees over to the left, cactus the arm here, and take a deep, long, slow breath here. Challenge, make your exhale slower than your inhale and longer. Then let's go ahead and switch, squeezing your core, dropping your knees over to the right, cactus the arm. Then bring your legs together. However you would like to go into restorative, whether your legs are out or whether your legs are together, that's fine. But close your eyes and bring the arms up over the head and try to release and relax and become still. Say, I am still. Relaxing that throat, that jaw, your face, your body, knowing that you are exactly where you're meant to be and you are fully whole no matter what phase you're in. You can stay down here and take this time to restore, or you can curl on up to a seated position with me. Nice, slow, and easy. And go ahead and place your hands on your heart and maybe feel that heartbeat. Know you have a purpose. You are here for a reason. You're here to accept love and give love. Take a deep, flowing inhale to your body and let it flow out just like love. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste. Always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.